Hello there, welcome back. So today I'm doing a blower motor resistor on a 2005 Chevy Cobalt. So I want to show you what it look like, guys, before I install it. So that's the dash right there. I'm going to go under here and see. Hope it's the correct part. So I'm just gonna get this wire out of the way first, so I can see what's going on. So I'm just gonna pop it out, just flick it to the side, and it come out just like that, guys. Very simple and easy. And then you're gonna push this piece up. You don't need any tool, and there you go. So simple and easy, guys. So now I'm going to fit this one. And there you go, guys. So I'm gonna push it back in this hole and snap right in just like that, guys. So simple and easy. That's the blower motor right there. So if I find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.